Hello everyone, today in this very video we are going to deal with exercise 7.6, that is simple interest. Okay, so your question number 1 has been picked up for you. Okay, see question number 1, find the simple interest and amount when principal is given, rate is given and time is given. Okay, time duration is given, so you have to find the simple interest. So before dealing with these things, before solving, let us have an idea. Okay, say you have deposited a sum of rupees 1000, okay, in a bank. Okay, you have deposited a sum of rupees 1000 to the bank, and after 1 year you got, after 1 year, okay, after 1 year you got rupees 100 interest. Okay, now you had 1000 rupees. Now your total amount will be in your hand 1000 plus 100 equal 1100. Okay, are you getting me? Okay, now this the amount that you had or amount that you deposited in a bank is called your principal. What do you call it? Principal, or in short you say P, capital. Okay, and that extra rupees 100 rupees you got from the bank, that is called your interest. What? Simple interest. Okay, and now after getting this 100, now total amount in your hand is 1100. This is called amount. Okay, we call it amount. And the money was in your bank for 1 complete year, that is called your time duration. Okay, we say either T or we say N, number of years. Okay, either we say N or we say T. Getting me? And so by keeping 1000 you got 100 rupees. Okay, that means, see, 100, okay, out of 1000, okay, into 100%. You'll see what is your rate of interest now. See, date zero cancel, date zero cancel, date zero cancel. What remaining here? Remaining only 10 and percent. That means this 10% is your rate of interest. Okay, rate of interest. Are you getting me? So what we learned from here, we have got, see, first we got principal or capital. Okay, the amount that you had or the amount that you deposited in a bank is called your principal. Okay, and the amount, surplus amount that you get from the bank for keeping your money in a bank for 1 complete year, that 100 rupees is called your interest. We say it I. Okay, and after getting this 100 rupees, the total amount in your hand, now it becomes 1100, that we call amount. Okay, that means principal plus interest. Amount is what? Principal plus interest. Your principal was 1000 and this I is your interest, so principal plus interest equal amount. Okay, and you kept the money for 1 complete year, that 1 year is called your time or number of years. Okay, and you got 100 out of 1000. Okay, by keeping 1000 rupees you got 100 rupees, so 100 out of 1000 into 100%, you got 10%. This 10% is called, that 10% is called your rate of interest. Okay, are you getting me? Okay, now let us proceed to solve the question. Our question is, find the simple interest and amount when Principal is rupees 800, rate is 6% per annum, time is given 4 years. Okay, so it's very simple. So what we'll do, solution. Okay, solution. Now see, you have to find simple interest, SI. Okay, well, not write simple, we'll write shortcut SI, that means what? Simple interest. So there is a formula, and using the formula you can use it, you can find it out in no time we can find it out. Okay, in a very easy process. That is, first we'll write P into R into N, or you can say T. N means what? Number of years, or you can say T, time. PRN divided by 100. This is the formula. Okay, now see in the following step what you got. Here in our question, our P is what given? Rupees 800. So in place of P, we'll put the value of P, that is rupees 800. Okay, next what is there? R what given? Rate what given? 6%. So I'll write 6. Okay, then what is there? Time, that means N means number of years, or if you want you can write here T also, no problem. Okay, you can write here R, you can write here T also, no problem. So it will be easy for you to understand. T is 4 years, so right here T. Okay, P into R into T, so P into R into T, and below in denominator place what is there? 100. Okay, see how easy. 0 cancel, dead 0 cancel. There is nothing in denominator place, only remaining 1. When there is only 1 in denominator place, we prefer not to write. Okay, now in numerator place what we got? See, rupees 8 into 6 into 4. Okay, 8 into 6 into 4. Okay, now what will get? 8 times 6 is 48 into 4 equal 192. This is our interest, simple interest. One question solved. Find the simple interest. Already you have solved this question. Next, amount. Okay, therefore amount. Okay, amount is, we know amount is what? Principal plus interest. Okay, now principal what we got? Rupees 800. So in place of principal will write rupees 800 plus interest what we got? Rupees 128. So I put the value rupees 128, and if we add up them it will become 992. And this is the solution for question number 1, sub question A. Okay, our interest is rupees 128 and amount is 928. So simple. Okay, well children, now look at the question on the blackboard, that is sub question B. Okay, unlike the sub question A, here time is given 6 months, but interest is calculated per annum. Okay, 6% per annum. Since interest is calculated per annum, but time not given, our year time given 6 months. So first of all, while solving this kind of question, since interest is counted in per annum, this month should be converted into year. Okay, so solution, you have to find simple interest. So we'll find simple interest SI. Okay, equal, same formula I'll use, P into R into N divided by 100. Okay, now in the following step you see P we got 7,000, so in place of P we'll put rupees 7,000. all right, then what we got? We got rate of interest. Okay, PR, that is what we got, 6%. So right here 6. Then what we got? N, and what you got 6 months. Okay, see, we have got here 6 months. Okay, but our interest is calculated in annum, not in month. Okay, in year. So what we'll do, we'll convert this month into year. We know 12 months make a year. So since 6 months is a smaller unit. Okay, if you want to convert into larger unit, you have to divide it. 6 months equals 6 by 12. As soon as you divide 6 by 12, it will no more remain month, it will become year. Okay, now 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. We got 1 by 2 year. That means half year. You know 6 months means what? Half year, is it? So we'll write here 1 by 2, and here we have to write 100. P into R into N divided by 100. Okay, now rest is very simple. The zero cancel, the zero cancel. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, now what we got here, see, rupees 70, okay, into 3, then into 1. We know whenever we multiply any number by 1, the number remains same, so no need to multiply by 1. So rupees 3 times 7 is 21, and this 0 rupees 210. That is what we got our interest. Okay, very easy, is it? Isn't it? Okay, now let us find out amount. Therefore, amount is equal. We know amount is what? Principal plus simple interest. Okay, now in the following step, principal is given what? Rupees 7,000. So I'll write here 7,000 plus simple interest. What we got? We got rupees 210. So I'll write here rupees 210. It will become 7,210. This is the solution for question number 1, sub question B. Okay, here we got our interest, simple interest. We got rupees 210, and here we got amount 7,210. But don't forget to convert the months into year if interest is calculated yearly. If interest is calculated half yearly, then it's all right. 6 months, all right. Okay, well children, now look at the board. Here question number C has been picked up. So unlike first two questions, in the first question, that means sub question A, our time was in year. In sub question B, time was in months, but in sub question C, our time is in days. But though the time is in days, but the rate of interest is, okay, calculated not in days or month. It is calculated per annum, calculated yearly. Per annum means yearly. Okay, since interest is calculated yearly, so first of all we have to convert the time also in year. Though it is in days, first of all you have to convert into a year. Okay, so we got here 146 days. Okay, we know 365 days make a year. So in order to convert 146 days, you have to divide by 365. As soon as we divide 146 by 365, it will no more remain days, it will turn into year. All right. Okay, now see, rest is very simple. Okay, by 73 you can divide. C, 73 into 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry over 1, 35, 1, 36, 365. Okay, 73 into 5, 365. 73 into 2, 146. Okay, so what you got? 2 by 5. Okay, what you got here? We have got here 2 by 5 years. All right. So rest is very simple. Like A and B only. So solution. Therefore SI, okay, SI means what? Simple interest is equal. Okay, now we know the formula. Let us write it down. P R N divided by 100. Okay, now in the following step, P we got here rupees 10,000. Okay, so I'll write here rupees 10,000. Okay, then what you got? R you got 10%, so I'll put here 10. Then what you got? Time we got 2 by 5 years. It was 146 days, but you converted it into years and it becomes 2 by 5 years. So I'll write here 2 by 5, and we know PRN divided by 100, so I'll write here 100. All right, now this zero cancel, that zero cancel. Okay, now 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10. So what you got? We have got here, see, rupees, here remaining 100, here remaining 2, here remaining 2. So we call what you got? 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 100, 400. Okay, this rupees 400 is our interest. Okay, then therefore amount, okay, amount is equal, that is what? Principal plus simple interest. All right, now in the following step, principal we got 10,000, so I'll put the value rupees 10,000. Then simple interest we got rupees 400, so I'll put the value rupees 400. Okay, so 10,400 rupees, 10,400 is our amount. This is the solution of question number 1, sub question. Now let us proceed to question number 3. Okay, that is find the principal when simple interest is given, rate of interest is given, and time given. In the first question we found the interest, simple interest, but in this question you have to find out the principal. Okay, same process. Okay, see, we have already learned P R N divided by 100 equal interest. Okay, simple interest. This formula already have learned. PRN divided by 100 equals simple interest. Now see, this is equal sign. This is right side, this is left side. Simple interest is numerator. Below what is there? 1. Okay. Now if we do cross multiplication, okay, left side numerator into right side denominator, what will get? PRN into 1, PRN. We know whenever we multiply any number by 1, the number remain same. Equal sign. This is what we got. Simple interest into 100. Okay. Okay, since in this question you have to find out the principal, so this principal will keep to the left, rest all will take to the right. So to the right, previously what you've got? Interest into 100 we have got previously. Okay, now this R and N, they are to the left, will bring them also to the right. To the left they are multiplied with principal. If you bring to the right, this multiplication will turn into divide. Okay, so R N. So what we got now? Principal equal simple interest into 100 divided by R N. See, you memorize the formula, and if you forget also no problem. Okay, right, from if you know this first one formula, from here you can find out the rest of the formulas. Okay, so it's very easy. Principal equals simple interest into 100 divided by R into N. Okay, so and here interest is calculated per annum, that means yearly. Interest is calculated yearly, but time given not 3 years. Okay, I have a mistake here. Question is 6 months. Okay, it is time given 6 months. Okay, so like earlier, 6 months equal 1 by 2 years, half years. Okay, so solution. It's very simple question. Okay, so therefore P will not write principal. Okay, you'll write P and you'll understand P means what? Principal. P is equal, what you got formula? Simple interest, okay, into 100 divided by R means rate of interest into number of time or number of years, that is N. Okay, or if you don't understand, you can write here T. Okay, now in the following step, you see simple interest, what you got here in our question is given rupees 80, so we'll substitute the value rupees 80. Then what you've got 100, we'll put here 100. Okay, then down here what is there? We have got rate what you got 4%, so I'll write here 4. Then we have got time is what? 6 months, means 1 by 2. Okay, 6 months means what? 1 by 2. All right, now in the following step, you see rupees 80 into 100 divided by, or you can do here also 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, here remaining 2. Okay, no need to write one more step, directly you can do here itself. Okay, now see here remaining 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, remaining 2 by this 2. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 0 is 0, so remaining rupees 4,000. Okay, 40 into 100, since we know whenever we multiply any number by 100, you have to put 2 zeros after the number. It's 40, then it will be followed by 2 zeros, ones, tens, 100, 1,000 rupees, 4,000 is our principal. It's very simple. Okay, getting me? Well, children, now let us proceed to question number 3, that is find the time. Okay, in the first question we found simple interest, question number 1. In question number 2 we found principal. Now in question number 3 it is given find the time, same formula we are to use. Okay, see P R into T. T means what? Time. P principal. R rate of interest divided by 100 equal simple interest. All right. Okay, now we'll do cross multiplication. So P into R into T equal simple interest into 100. Okay, or since you have to find T, we'll keep T to the left side, rest all go to the right side. The simple interest into 100 divided by principal into rate of interest. All right, that is the formula for finding T. Okay, so solution, rest all will remain same. Okay, solution, therefore time is equal, what will come here? Simple interest into 100 below P into R. Okay, so in the following step, in the following steps, simple interest, it is given in the question rupees 200, so we'll write here rupees 200. Okay, then this 100 in formula, from formula, so we'll put here 100. Okay, then P given rupees 1000, so let us write rupees 1000 in place of P. Then R given 8%, so let us write down 8. Okay, rest is very simple. 0 0 cancel, that 0 cancel, that 0 cancel. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, this rupees cancel. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, what you got? 5/2 years. Okay, 5/2 years. That all you can write, or if you want you can write 2.5 years. Okay, or you can write 2.5 years means what? 2 years 6 months. Okay, or you can write therefore required time, therefore required time is what they got? 5/2 years. 5/2 years means what? 2.5 years. Okay, 2.5 years. So if you divide 5/2, it's improper fraction, turn into mixed number, mixed fraction. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 2.5 years. That means 2 years 6 months. Half years means 6 months. 2 years 6 months. This is the solution for question number 3, sub question A. Look at the question number 5 on the board. That is, at what rate of interest, or at what rate of percent per annum will rupees 6,950 produce rupees 347.50 as simple interest in 5 months? Okay, that is the question. So let us see what input given in the question first. Okay, before solving it, let us see what are the input given in the question given. At what percent per annum will rupees 6,950? So this rupees 6,950 is given principal. Okay, principal given rupees 6,950. Okay, rupees 6,950 produce rupees 347.50. that means this is given our interest. Simple interest what given? Rupees 347.50 is given. Okay, in 5 months. So time given 5 months. Okay, 5 months means 5/12 years. Okay, then at what percent? That means you have to find out our rate of interest. You have to find out. This is what input given in the question C. At what percent per annum will rupees 6,950 produce rupees 347.50? That means if you invest rupees 6,950, or if you deposit rupees 6,950 for 5 months, okay, you will get this 347.50 rupees as interest. So you have to find out rate of interest. Well, so solution, okay, rate of interest you have to find out. So R equal, we know PRN divided by 100 equal I, or PRT equal 100 into I, is it? So right here, simple interest into 100. Okay, since you have to find R, P and T will bring to the left or right, so P into T. Okay, this is the formula to find rate of interest. Okay, now see, time given are 5/12. Okay, so rest is very simple. Equal sign, then here to write simple interest. We got here 347.50. Okay, then into 100, then below there principal given 6950. Okay, then what given? T time given 5 by 12. All right. Okay, now see in the following step. See, when we know whenever we multiply any number by 100, the decimal will go 2 digit left to right, or decimal will 2 digit backwards. Okay, now this 347.50 will turn into 34750. That means 1 tens 100,000, 34,750. So we'll no more write here into 100 because we've already multiplied. Okay, down there you see 6,950. Okay, this is 5 by 2. It is divide sign. Divide if turn into multiple. This next fraction you have to write reciprocal order. 12 will go numerator plus, 5 will come denominator plus. Okay, they zero cancel. Okay, this 3,475 and 6,095 both are divisible by 5. We know divisibility rules. A number is divisible by 5 with a digit that one's place is either 0 or 5. Okay, now see, 5 times 1 is 5, carry over 119, 5 times 3 is 15, carry over 445, 5 times 9 is 45. So here 5 times 6 is 30, 447, 5 times 9 is 45, remaining 2, 25, 5 times 5 is 25. Okay. Now, again these two will be, we can divide. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 1 is 5, carry over 119, 5 times 3 is 15, 445, 5 times 9 is 14. Now this 139, 139 times 1 is 139, 139 times is 139. Okay, so numerator plus we got here, we have remaining here 1 into 12, 1 into 12, and denominator plus only 1. So what we got? 1 into 12 equal 12 is our rate of interest. Okay, R equal what we got? 12. So therefore required R percent equal 12%. This is the solution for question number 5. This very question, we will wind up this very video for today. Okay, I'll see you in the next video with the next chapter. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.